Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be sharing some Gen Z versus Millennial lipstick trends. So let's get started. Let's start with a Gen Z trend. Gen Zs are obsessed with Korean makeup and Korean makeup trends. So let's do a Korean lipstick trend. I'm first neutralizing my lips using my concealer brush, and this is like a reverse ombre lipstick trend. So for that I'm using the Swiss Beauty Craze Lip and Cheek Macaron in the shade Pink Jelly, and I'm just focusing this in the inner rim of my lip. It looks like as if you've had a pink popsicle and now your lips are stained from the inner side, and it looks super natural and cute, and this is the final look. Millennials used to go all out and overline their lips. So for that, I'm using the Swiss Beauty My Shine lipstick in the shade Nude BFF and just outlining my lips, slightly overlining my lips with this, and then using the Duo lipstick in the shade Hazel Nude to fill my lips in. So I'm using a darker outline and filling my lips in with a lighter shade, so that gives like an overlined plump lip kind of an effect. I personally love this trend. It genuinely makes your lips look so fuller and plump. Glossy lips is the biggest Gen Z trend, and since Gen Zs believe that less is more, I'm using a tinted lip balm. This is the Swiss Beauty Craze Tinted Lip Balm in the shade Marshmallow, and it's the perfect rosy brownie nude that looks so beautiful on my skin. It has that perfect amount of shine and color and is so nourishing on my lips. Millennials love their matte lips, so for that I'm using the Hold Me Matte lipstick in the shade Lusty Rusty. Millennials love liquid lipsticks that are super matte and long lasting, and again this shade is really pretty on brown skin, and it's a transfer proof long wearing formula. I think a perfect nude transfer proof liquid lipstick is a staple in everybody's collection. So this is it for today's video. I hope you guys had fun watching the video. Let me know your favorite lipstick trend in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever we upload a new video. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.